What's up guys, thanks for coming to Gaming Canada with me. My name's Phil and today we're doing a quick tutorial on how to downgrade and block Nvidia's GeForce Experience app. Now the whole reason we're doing this is because the current version of GeForce Experience breaks controller functionality when using Moonlight Wii U. Moonlight Wii U, you ask? Moonlight Wii U is a game streaming app that allows you to turn your Wii U into an Nvidia Shield for playing all your PC games. Now it's possible that the creator Gary will be able to fix this issue in the near future, making this video obsolete. Regardless, download links are in the description. Let's get started. First off, what we need to do is pull up your Windows uninstall utility and locate GeForce Experience. Go ahead and uninstall it, and if prompted to reboot, go ahead and do so. Click the link in the description and download the older version 3.21. Once that's downloaded, what we need to do now is disable your internet connection, either removing the Ethernet cable or disconnect from Wi-Fi. Go to your downloads and run the installer we just downloaded. Once installed, it will ask you for an internet connection to log in. Close all instances of GeForce Experience, and now you're going to go ahead and click the Windows Start button. Begin typing CMD, open command prompt. Now in command prompt window, type wf.msc. Go ahead and hit enter, and this is going to open up your Windows firewall. In here, we are going to create an inbound and outbound rule blocking Nvidia's web helper. This is simply going to stop GeForce Experience from connecting to the update server and leave all other functionality. On the left side of the window, click Inbound Rules. Now on the right side, click New Rule. Select Program, hit Next, click Browse Program Path, open your C drive, Program Files x86, find the Nvidia Corporation folder, and then find the NV Node folder. Now click Nvidia Web Helper.exe and hit Open. Now click Next, click Block the Connection, hit Next again. Ignore this page by just hitting Next and give it a simple name like Update Blocker. Now hit Finish and repeat the steps for your outbound rules. Now that you're completed, you should have an inbound and outbound rule that is identical, both for Nvidia Web Helper.exe. This is just going to prevent updates from Nvidia GeForce Experience. And now you're free to go ahead and reconnect to the internet. I've got my Ethernet cable plugged back in, and now when we launch Nvidia, it's going to ask you to log in, but it shouldn't auto update. Go ahead and log in, and that's it. You're good to go. Big thank you to Chris Mod on GBA Temp for this tutorial. I wouldn't have known how to do this otherwise. I'll put a link to the written tutorial down in the description. Hopefully you guys are now streaming your Steam library to your Wii U without any hiccups. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to use code GamingCanadaYT in the Epic/Fortnite item shop to help support the channel. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.